A storm was brewing that night. The sky was as dark as the coffee my mom drinks.
Or maybe even darker.
It felt like the world was preparing me for something. Something new. My assistant and I have seen all kinds of cases. Bears, lions, llamas. But the day Beatrice the bear came knocking, we knew we were in for a challenge. It's hard work, being a detective and all. You have to pay close attention to the details, be observant, and make connections where other people might not see them. Of course, it's a lot of travel. I'm in Brazil, I'm in China, I'm in Australia, all on the same day. What can I say? It's all in a day's work. And when the next thief strikes, we'll be here, ready to take...
Guys, your food is getting cold.
Well, right after dinner.